Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video, I will talk about Decentraland price prediction and Decentraland news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Decentraland in 2022. Decentraland, MANA, defines itself as a virtual reality platform based on the Ethereum blockchain that allows users to create, serve and monetize content and applications. In this virtual reality, users buy land that they can later navigate, build on, and monetize. Decentraland was launched following a $24 million initial coin offering, ICO, that took place in 2017. Virtual World launched its closed beta in 2019 and opened to the public in February 2020. Since then, users have created a wide range of experiences on their land sites, including interactive games, extensive 3D scenes, and many other interactive experiences. Decentraland was created by Ariel Milik and Esteban Ordano, who have retired from their core roles on the project, but are still working with Decentraland as advisors. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Decentraland. Is ENG catching up to metaverse heavyweights like Mana and Sand? ENG coin price has seen 3 green days with a nice run-up. This move comes after ENG bulls breached a declining trend line that subdued it since 25 November. The recent uptick in bullish momentum suggests that ENG is leading the metaverse coins like Mana or Sand. Metrics forecast more gains. ENG coin price crashed roughly 75% in less than 3 months and bottomed around $1.20. The resurgence of buyers indicates that an uptrend is likely to continue. Moreover, on-chain metrics seem to agree with the outlook and predict a bullish future for ENG coin. The uptick in on-chain volume from 118 million to 330 million suggests that whales are interested in ENG at the current price levels. This development could also attract FOMOing retail investors who could keep the uptrend going. Additionally, the volume seems to be on the rise since 13 March and has not shown any signs of heading lower, thus serving as a tailwind to the metaverse token. Adding credence to this move is the recent uptick in whale transactions for ENG coin. These transactions are worth $100,000 or more and are often footprints of high net worth investors. Tracking these transfers help market participants get a grasp of what these institutional investors could be on. Essentially, this on-chain index serves as a proxy for such investors. A spike in this metric could be seen as bullish if it occurs at the bottom of the bear run and bearish at the top of a bull run. Considering how ENG has lost 75% of its value, the recent increase in transactions worth $100,000 or more from 6 to 40 reveals an optimistic outlook for ENG coin. While things are looking up for ENG, market participants need to exercise caution as a pullback may be around the corner. Moreover, the uncertainty around Bitcoin could lead to a suboptimal outlook for ENG coin. Perhaps the most interesting metric is the supply of ENG held on exchanges. This index can be used to determine the potential sell-side pressure for an asset. For ENG coin, the holdings of ENG have increased from 403 million to 417 million. This net 14 million uptick in ENG entering centralized exchange wallets indicates that these investors might sell in case of a flash crash, compounding the sell-side pressure and causing more losses. Therefore, market participants need to exercise caution when investing in ENG coin. And second news about Metaverse Fashion Week. 70 brands do their best to showcase style in Decentraland. Decentraland kicked off Metaverse Fashion Week, a combination of high-end designers and wearables vendors flaunting non-fungible token (NFT) collections in the blockchain-based virtual world. Brands such as Estée Lauder, Tommy Hilfiger, Dolce & Gabbana and Forever 21 are all participating in the virtual fashion event. Many spent weeks laying claim to metaverse-ready trademarks in what now appears to have been a preemptive brand protection strategy ahead of their NFT premiere. With the rise of digital goods and metaverse shopping experiences, Decentraland's Fashion Week seeks to provide a space for people to express themselves and expand the understanding of their own self through wearables on their avatars, said Sam Hamilton, Decentraland's creative director. "I see people being much more outrageous in the metaverse," Hamilton told CoinDesk in a phone interview. "People will see a really great use case for NFTs as a result of the event." Fashion shows, galleries and brand-hosted panels will pop up across a newly developed corner of Decentraland called Fashion District through March 27. Virtual real estate company Metaverse Group purchased the 6,000 square foot plot last November for a record $2.4 million. Tina. Quotes from the protagonists. The article quotes Demian Briner, Open Zeppelin's CEO and co-founder. "A crypto poll with such force could not emerge in the first world, where citizens trust their governments, their currency, their institutions and their banks." In retrospect, it makes a lot of sense that something like Voltaire would have happened in Argentina. It also quotes Decentraland's founder and Casa Voltaire alumni Esteban Ordano speaking about what made the place special. "At lunch, breaks, and downtime, we made time for deep conversations. Technological change and its impact on society were undoubtedly an important axis. Politics and economics were also present, but without stigmatization. We discussed ideas without judging those who brought them. Last but not least, the author quotes Munes Darius and Dermanus. The fundamental thing here is to understand the time. How much will Decentraland cost in 2025? Or how much will Decentraland cost in 10 years? Guessing price fluctuations and predicting future prices is a hell of a task. Decentraland Price Prediction 2022. It appears that by 2022, Decentraland, Mana, prices will hit a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2022, we can expect the average rate to be $3.70. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Decentraland's maximum price could be up to $4.21 in 2022. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Decentraland Course Forecast 2023. Mana has great potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Decentraland, the price could rise much higher. By 2023, it may reach a maximum value of $6.18. Mana is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2023 could end with an average price of $5.37, a minimum price of $5.19, and a maximum price of $6.18. Decentraland Course Prediction 2024. In 2024, with wider adoption and partnerships between other important blockchain networks, Decentraland price will skyrocket. The maximum trading price could reach $9.01 in 2024. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $8.04 with a maximum price of $9.01 for 2024. Price Mana Forecast 2025. For a long-term forecast of the Decentraland price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There's a possibility that the average price of Mana will rise to around $11.46 by 2025 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2025, the year could end with a maximum price of $13.49 with a minimum price. Level $11.13. Mana Rate Prediction 2026. Mana will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Decentraland rate will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2026, the Decentraland rate will be almost $16.85. The maximum bet we can get is $20.02. Decentraland average price prediction for the end of 2026 could be around $17.30. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. Mana Price Prediction 2027. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Decentraland will remain at its current level for a very long time. By 2027, Mana is expected to peak at $29.37. The minimum bid could rise to $24.21 if the market turns bullish.